In this lecture, we are going to draw elbow arrow, and you will also learn how to use the connecting endpoints. To draw an elbow arrow, go to Insert, Shapes, and choose this connector elbow or connected elbow arrow. Now after choosing this arrow shape, you can see there are a lot of dots that are coming up when I mouse over these shapes. These are called end points. When I connect an elbow arrow from one of these endpoints to another, then this elbow arrow is fixed to these two ends of the shapes. That is, even if I move these shapes out, then the elbow arrow end follows the shape. That's the specialty of connecting the arrow to such endpoints. Other than the gray end dot, the elbow arrow has also got an yellow adjusting connector with which you can adjust the bending points or the bending segment of this elbow arrow. Let me delete this arrow and import this text group from the previous slide and paste it here. Let me ungroup it. Ungroup it again. Let me delete this arrow. Place this circle and icon here and the text group here. Now I'm going to connect this first triangle fragment to this circle using an elbow connector. Before that, I'm going to group these fragment and the glass reflector. Similarly, the other fragments. Now let me take the elbow double arrow and connect this dot to this gray dot. Now I'm going to adjust this yellow dot and position it here. In the next lecture, you will learn how to use the Align tool in PowerPoint.